Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today we're reviewing the Fang Titanium EDC Keychain Multitool, a compact, durable, and versatile everyday carry tool that can handle anything life throws your way. The Fang is crafted from premium-grade titanium and comes with a built-in pen, bottle opener, pry bar, spike, and more, making it a true all-in-one utility tool that can tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. Its everlasting pen offers a smoother and more consistent writing experience, smudge-proof ink, and durability, while its titanium body and graphite tip ensure it's waterproof and can withstand wear and tear, harsh outdoor environments, and extreme temperatures. The Fang is also eco-friendly, replacing over 100 normal pencils without the need for sharpening or ink refills. With the Fang, you'll always have a multifunctional tool that can make your daily tasks easier and more efficient. Buy the Fang now at the link in the description below and experience the convenience and versatility of this handy little tool for yourself.